Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Libara SIM card in Australia step by step. First, open your browser and search for Libara SIM card activation Australia. Click on the official Libara support page, then scroll down and tap on the activation portal link. Once you're on the activation page, enter your SIM number. You can find it on the SIM card packaging. After that, tap Next and fill out your personal details like your name, date of birth, contact number, email, and address. Then choose your preferred plan, whether it's a 30-day, 90-day, or 360-day plan. Review what's included, tap Next, and move to the checkout page. Now, just confirm your number, plan, and details. Then, enter your payment information, your card number, expiry date, and CVV. Finally, tap Pay Now, and your Libara SIM card will be activated within a few minutes. And that's it. Your Libara is now ready to use in Australia. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.